Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tanya and I'm back again with a video. This video is back to school series part 1. There will be 2 more videos on the same series which will go live most probably in next week. And please watch this video till the end, and if you like it, please do consider subscribing to my channel. I'll be very grateful if you do so. Now let's start with the video. Okay, so you need a notepad, sponge and colors. First start making a layer of white color with the help of sponge so that when you add the actual color, they'll be more prominently visible. After that, start doing the second layer for better results. I am giving it a rainbow effect with pastel colors. I don't have pastel colors palette, so I've made them by adding white color to the original color. You can write anything according to your choice and you're done. So for this second DIY, I have used cardboard pieces and covered it with white sheets. आप कोई भी handmade sheet use कर सकते हो if you want it to look more beautiful. Now join them all together with the help of a glue gun. You can use Fevicol as well if you don't have a glue gun. Now divide them into sections accordingly. At last, decorate it according to your choice. You can use anything for decorations. I've used polka dots and white laces. आप कुछ भी use कर सकते हो. And ta-da! You're done. That was it for the video. I really hope that you like it. Share this video with your friends who might like it too. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to do more such videos. If you create any of my recreations, you can send me on my Instagram, that is, I'll definitely post them on my stories. And please do consider subscribing to my channel. Drop a like down below, and that's it. I'll see you next week. Bye.